Happy anniversary! What's up mga ka-Williamsburg? Let's go baby! Williamsburg! Grabe guys. Philip, let's go right here. Iabot si Phil. Dito si Chris. Everybody's here. Ati Ding. It's kind of dark. But you guys get the point. What's up? Kakarating lang din po ng Tolentino family right here with Joy Constantino. Let's go. Ha?
Free na ako, wala na ako school.
Okay, so
Wala.
Biason family right here. Hello po kayo sa vlogs. What's up mga ka-Williamsburg? Nandito po kami ngayon ni Kuya Andoy. Uy, my lake. Phil, my lake. Phil, nandito na kami, Phil. Dito tayo, Andoy. Lagay natin yung grill. Uy, dito yung firewood. Pwede dito yung firewood. Uy, dami kita, Kuya Andoy. Baka mahulog ka dyan, Kuya Andoy. Ayun no, ang daming isda doon no. Here we are, year 4 sa ating lake house. We just arrived in our new location right here. We're gonna do some walkthrough mamaya, but as you can see, what's up, Ramon? What's up? Right, na-miss po namin kayo, Kuya Mon, and we'll see after this. Datingan ng ating mga panauhin right here. Everybody just arrived from a 4-hour trip. It's 7 at night. Po aming bahay. Bahay right here. Ang laki ng bahay namin this year. This year, up and down right there. What's up, friend? Right? What's up? Japanese. Po, si Ate Lynn ay nauna nang umakyat. Tan-tararan, right there. What's up? Ito po ang ating mga few millennials right here. Hello. And Andy B, right there. Kuya Mon, namimiss ka daw ni Rochelle. Si Brianna Miran, right here with some really good food, igado and some Adidas. Let's go, baby! Ito po tayo sa ating popcorn station right here with Ate Jazz and Kuya Andoy. What's up? What's up? Dollar popcorn right there. Let's go. Ito po ay ang aming third floor right here. Third floor. What's up, Repa Peeps? Seafood boil. Seafood right there. Yun. Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Ano ba ang essence ng ating lake house? Ano ba ang purpose nito? sa vlog na ito, sa mga videos natin, makikita ninyo kung bakit namin ito ginagawa taon-taon. Joe, Cindy right here. What's up? So, kakatapos na po namin kumain. And then after that, maybe some activities afterwards. So, this is our lake house. It's huge. We have a third floor right there. You see that ceiling? That's our third floor. Well, yung iba still eating. So, we're...
Ayan ka na naman. Ano? Hi, mami.
Hello, salamat.
Sure. Ang babait. Pwede na, di, mas malaki pa yan sa'yo. Oh, ang babait. Di abot, be. Di abot, be. Hindi po request mo.
Hindi niyo po pwede i-AI yan, ha?
Paganda tayo mamagno eh.
Ang galing naman. Ba't may chat GPT lang kayo?
Kailan si Amarin?
Wow, may panalo na. Hello, Terry. Pwede ba sa akin din?
Tayo!
baboy, biko, itlog, puto. Breakfast na po namin to dahil anong oras na ba, mga kapatid? Oras na 12:30 ng umaga. Walang tulugan. What's up kayo dyan? Hoy! Kuya Ben na. Kuya Ben na.
Grabe naman.
Lito.
Uy, nag-bartender ako ha. Sana'y pakinggan mo ang awit ng puso.